Farm animals. Look around the farm. These animals are fun. Learn about them all. Pick your favorite one. Minnie the Mooer is a magic cow. She can eat just grass and make milk somehow. Pat the pig wants someone to play, but he is so dirty, the animals run away. Sally the sheep is warm and cozy. Her wool makes her so hot that her cheeks get rosy. Ricky the rooster is hard to take. He yells cock-a-doodle-doo until I am wide awake. A rooster and a cow and a pig and a sheep. If you could take one home, which one would you keep?